Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about what is the name of this emoji and where it is used. So let's get started. The name of this emoji is sneezing face, and it is used to express sneezing illness like a cold or allergies or discomfort. It can also sometimes be used to convey a sudden strong reaction to something like a bless you type of moment. Okay, and you can understand this emoji with an example just like that. I am catching a cold and then hit this emoji, or my allergies are acting up today and then hit this emoji. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you find this video as an informative video for you, then please hit a like button. Thank you.